Hi everybody, it's Retro Yuki once again giving you guys another Mudae bot State of Mudae video for you guys this month. It is October and that means it's another time for another State of Mudae, everybody. So what is new in Mudae? We're gonna be talking about what's new in the Mudae bot. Well, we're gonna be talking about how Tuesday is going to be a big day for the channel in terms of other stuff, and how I'm going to give you guys the power of voting to influence the tutorials. So let's get right into it, guys, and let's talk about the Mudae bot itself. So the Mudae bot has received an update recently. Uh, this thing of the new the new commands for you guys, especially if you guys are moderators. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But they added some new commands for you guys in terms of searching for characters. So if you use $MM, you guys can search for characters, and the new flags correspond to the soul keys. So if you can get your character 10 times, for example, if you get your character roll 10 times, you get something called a soul key, and you can decide how to find or search for your soul keys by using Y exclamation mark equals, Y exclamation mark plus, and Y exclamation mark. Okay? When you search for characters, okay? You can now also use O exclamation mark to look for other characters from another user. Okay? Also, the like list limit for characters who you like has increased to 5,000, and your soulmate list is no longer limited. Okay? You can also use option ID or use $TSK, $TSV, ID, and $TSY to display another user. We'll talk about this in another tutorial I'm going to have for you guys next week or so. Now here's the big one that I want to talk about for moderators, and it is going to be command all commands for channel restrict, channel deny, restrict, and deny. So instead of using channel restrict, all mod, all Pokeslot, all that, you can use channel restrict and then all commands instead of using all the bundles, is what they call it. And I'm actually going to be thinking of doing a new version of my tutorial for the moderation commands tutorial, which I'm going to show you guys in just a moment. So on my channel, we have we have the playlist here. Back in, so I had one tutorial for you guys on the moderation commands, and that was here, how to use the Mudae bot moderation commands. And that was done when I started the tutorials. Now we have brand new commands, so I'm going to kind of update this one in a way. So I'm gonna do that when I get the chance this next week. So I'm gonna do that for you guys next week. Speaking of next week, ladies and gentlemen, although there is more of the YouTube channel news, I do want to bring up this new thing coming up for the channel starting Tuesday. If you guys are not aware that YouTube has lowered its requirements for the community tab to 500 subscribers or more starting this coming Tuesday. And the reason why I'm going to bring that up now in this Mudae bot video is because starting Tuesday, you guys will be able to vote on what tutorials you guys want. So you guys get to vote for a Mudae bot tutorial, a Rin bot tutorial, a Karuta bot tutorial, or a Lifu bot tutorial. Okay? You guys get to vote on one per week. there is going to be one exception though. If I feel that I'm going to be able to do 2 tutorials per week, then I'll do it too. Okay, but that's going to be under my discretion though. Okay, so you'll be able to vote now on what you guys want to see. Here's a caveat. Besides the one I just mentioned a few moments ago, the SumaBot tutorial is done. There's no more. I don't think they added anything else. So you can only choose MudaeBot, RenBot, LifuBot, or KarudaBot. If you feel that I need to add another bot, then I'll do so. But that's gonna be under my discretion, and I have to have testers use the bot. Okay. There will be other tutorials in this channel, but for now, that's all I have for the MudaeBot tutorial in terms of the Discord bots. If any Discord bot you want to go to, you can go through here, do so. And the voting will begin on Tuesday, as of this moment, okay? I hope you guys are excited about that. In terms of other things I want to go over, I do want to go back to the Discord server, my Discord server to be exact. And I want to say thank you to you guys for a lot of members so far. You guys are awesome, guys. Okay? You guys are awesome here. Okay? So I want to say thank you, guys. You guys are awesome. Now, as far as the other things I want to bring over, I want to remind you guys that we can no longer use the music bots because of the they actually shut it down. It was actually shut down a few weeks ago, so I will be removing that. Um, I am considering other things in the server. So for now, the gaming section will stay. I do have a gaming section for you if you guys want an actual gaming server. If you guys want it, okay? But that is up to you. Okay? I'll talk to you guys more on Tuesday on how I'm going to use the community tab on YouTube to help you guys more, and I will tell you guys that once we hit 700 subscribers, either from gaming or tutorials like this, I will be considering a Patreon. I'm not going to do YouTube memberships. I'll explain why later, okay? Because I really think Patreon is the right way to go. I'll explain why later on, though. But you will get some type of bonus, though. I'm going to tell you guys that. Also, one final thing. I may try this out where I'm going to stream on Discord as part of gaming. Although there's nothing to do with Mudae, if you guys are on the Mudae server of mine, you have a gaming section, and I might test out gaming on the server in terms of Discord. But I'm going to let you guys know when, okay? But for now, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoy what you heard or what you see or you're coming up, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys share the thing, share the video, yo. Okay, but for now, I say see you guys later.